When we feel we are separate from the universe, we experience all the struggle, the stress, and the pain. It is only that mindset and the way we act because of that mindset that causes all of our suffering. And this separation is the greatest human illusion. We are an aspect of the universe expressing as the person you see in the mirror. Not you and the universe as two separate entities. You are the universe. So when you are praying to the universe or throwing stuff out to the universe, actually, we just need to do it within ourselves for the best results. I'd like to give you another analogy because it's easy for us humans to create this separation. We've all done it and we've all experienced the struggle because we think we're separate to the universe. So we think it's all up to us to make life better or make stuff happen. But imagine this. If you, like your arm is an extension of you, right? It's an extension of your body. So if you were separate from your arm, that would like make life really awkward, right? It would be really complicated. Like you'd have to call up your arm, hey arm, I want to make a cup of tea, for example, and hope the arm would come around and help you to make a cup of tea. But if the arm didn't show up, that'd be really annoying, and then you'd start to judge them, stupid arm, and then you get frustrated, you know. Oh, what is the universe doing now? What's my arm doing now? What's this not happening? Do you know what? It would just get you really grumpy because it would just make life difficult. And you may even choose just to not have a relationship with your arm. You might just choose to leave your arm and get on with life because it seems too difficult to have a relationship with your arm. So you'll go it alone. You're gonna go it alone. And this is what separation feels like. When we think or we believe that we are separate from the universe and that we have to go it alone. Now there is everybody on this workshop. This is the key here. This is where the forcing and where the troubles begin, because I know so many of you trying so hard to actually really make your life amazing. You're putting so much effort into yourself and all your businesses or being a good person or trying to manifest this. But guess what? You don't have to do it as that extension. We need to be it. We are an extension of source energy, and when we remember this, everything just flows and life is easier. So what we instead need to do is learn to co-create with the universe. So even though we say with the universe, it's not separate with, it's like we're going to use our body and our arm to pick up the bucket of water. We're going to do it together. God or the universe is expressing through you right now. Part of this expression in the deeper sense is our soul, but the other part is also our ego that's free to play with life. And we're free to attract this or to achieve that. So it's still the universe. Free will is still part of the universe. It's just your expression of it. It's your personal input. So you have a bit of power over it, right? So to co-create life with the universe, we transcend the ego by listen more to the higher self. So I'll say that again. To co-create our life as a team player, being a full person of mind, body, and soul, we do so by transcending the ego self and listening to our higher self. And that is what is supposed to happen. So this is what we need to know in order to walk the conscious spiritual path. All of that ego stuff is meant to be there. Ego is not bad. Ego is not bad. It's simply part of the growth process. We act like we need to get rid of our ego. We act like it's a bad thing. We act like bad emotions or negative emotions are bad. They're not. It's just part of the journey, and the unraveling is the journey. So if you would like to take this journey to experience life with more sovereignty, live with a sense of empowerment, and know that you have control to create your reality, then please click the link below and discover more about how you can be guided and supported during this process.